Hello, everyone. We are here with our speaker, Pastor Paul, who talked about how we can do the kind of legit worshiping. May dalawang tanong lang po kami, Pastor Paul. And our first one is, ano po ang masasabi niyo pong practical suggestions kung paano bumalik sa legit na worship ang mga kabataan?
Unang-una siguro para sa mga kabataan, para bumalik sa legit worship, is really to honestly ask God to help them. Of course, by the Holy Spirit, and tell the Lord kung ano yung things na naghihinder for them to go back to the legit worship. So that way, makikita ko ano yung kulang and makikita rin kung ano talaga yung dapat gawin through the help of the Holy Spirit and through the help of God. So makita lamang, just be honest with God. Lord, I cannot do this on my own. And then from there, God will surely do the work.
Thank you, Pastor Paul, for that answer. And for our last question, paano po namin iimpluwensyahan ang aming mga magulang na hindi pa nakakakilala sa Panginoon?
Okay, magandang question yan, especially for the parents na hindi pa natin yung kakasama sa church. Unang-una, sabi nga, children, obey your parents in the Lord. Okay, as you obey your parents, makikita nila, bakit kakaiba yung anak ko? Ano yung ginagawa nila sa church? Ano yung naririnig nila? And this would make them to themselves na alamin, to discover what you're reading, what you're doing, ano yung meron sa church. And that way, makikita nila as you obey them, as you love them, makikita nila na, ito siguro yung pinag-aaralan nila. And they themselves will allow them to discover na makita rin nila kung ano yung papagawa naman ng Panginoon. And for children, syempre, pag nag-aaral kayo, pag-aral lang kayo na mabuti. Pag nasa bahay, do the things na pinapagawa ng parents natin. And actually, kung ano lang yung dapat gawin ng anak, and as you obey them, as you do the roles and the responsibilities and biblical priorities. Of course, God, parents, your siblings, studies, and others. Okay, God bless you, Elevate, and God bless the young people of this church.
Thank you, Pastor Paul, for your great answers. And thank you, everyone, for tuning into CCF San Simon Fast Track. Thank you all. See you all next Sunday.